How do we get technologies to solve the global climate crisis? The Clean Tech Institute brings together policymakers, innovators, and financiers. The clean tech industry has exponential potential for trillion-dollar markets. Our goal is to figure out how to get those technologies to market. What participants will get from this program is not only incredible content and a vast array of people within the classroom that will be a great support network for them, but they'll have access to the Clean Tech Advisory Board. This is the dream team of clean tech commercialization. It is all the major government agencies, the major utilities, the major players helping to construct the Copenhagen deal, research groups, major technology companies. UC Berkeley is playing a key role by bringing together these technologists, these financiers, and these innovators so that they can work together to solve this climate crisis.